Hi there! How are you guys doing? Today we are going to make another recipe and we are going to use some leftover rotisserie chicken from Costco. We're going to make some chicken sisig. That's a Filipino recipe that usually commonly used pork. This time we're going to try to use the leftover chicken and we're gonna do almost the same thing that we are doing with the pork sisig, but this time it's a chicken. So let's get started. So what I got here is leftover rotisserie chicken. It's at least a little bit more than half of it. So we're going to shred this. Okay. So for our spices, we have half a red onion, at least maybe 1 inch of the ginger. We're going to mince it. 2 garlic cloves, 3 red chilies. It depends on how much spicy you like your sisig. And then some lemon. We're going to squish out half of the lemon juice and some mayonnaise. We need some mayonnaise. Black pepper. A little bit of oyster sauce. Some soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using unsalted butter. So with the clean hands, we're going to shred our chicken into tiny little pieces or into bits. You can go ahead and mix the skin if you like the skin, that's okay. Well, I will try not to put too much skins on my sisig. But yeah, you guys, it's up to you if you like skin. I know skin has a lot of flavors. Okay, so just like that, we'll shred this. So there you go, guys. I finished cutting up the chicken into small little pieces. I didn't shred it. I just used a knife and cut it up like this. I believe this is around 4 cups of chicken pieces. So now we can go ahead and prepare the rest of our spices and ingredients. So we're just gonna finally chop our ginger. This is around half an inch ginger. A fresh ginger is perfect for this recipe. Okay, as finely as you can, just like that. Next, our minced garlic, crushed and minced. Okay. There you go. And our finely chopped onions. We're gonna need a little bit of green onions too for our garnish. So we're just gonna chop it up for now. We're gonna cut up our red chilies into small little pieces. Just like that. If possible, get rid of the seeds because that's the one that gets really spicy. Okay, we're gonna get rid of some. Okay, I'll leave the 2 other ones so I would know exactly how spicy would that be later, and then I can add if I need more spiciness. Squish half of a lemon juice, or a lemon, I mean. Just squish it out. It's around 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squished lemon juice. So we're going to use a wok, and I already added 2 tablespoons of oil to saute our ingredients. We're going to add half of our onions. We'll leave some for later. So there you go. I left some of the onions there. We're going to saute this for a bit until translucent. We can add our garlic and ginger. Saute it for a few minutes. And let's add in our chicken pieces or shredded chicken. Just like that. Then we can go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and at least a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And let's add our lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And of course the chilies. So let's mix it all up until all well combined. Next, we can go ahead and add in our half a cup of mayonnaise. We're going to mix it a little bit gently, and then we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it, and of course after that we are going to add in our half of the chopped onions. Then we mix it again. We just need to mix it so it's well combined. And then, so very quickly, we're going to add one egg. Then we'll stir it a little bit. Just like that. Mix it up. There we go. So we're going to use another flat pan for this as a sizzling plate. We'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. Just like that. And then we're going to add our sisig. Small. There we go. And we're gonna add 1 more egg in the middle. There we go. Let it cook for a few minutes. Put a little bit salt for the egg. And then let's garnish this with some green onions and chili pepper on top. There you go, guys. It's done and it's ready to be served. Looks good. You can serve this with steamed rice, or you can even use a toast like a sandwich or with this chicken sisig, and it's all gonna work well. Really good and spicy. Not spicy that you can eat it too much, but spicy enough to enjoy. Hello, thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell to get notified for more of my videos. And thank you so much for your support, and hope to see you around again, and take care. Bye. God bless.